It's a thing of beauty, ain't it? Poetry. What we call music, the brand they name Flowetry. If you get too close to me, then the ink pen will drip uncontrollably. For some reason, the emotion's still owing me. Like a contract music to the ears. Motivation to my peers. I'm on my grind everywhere. When I stop, the sun find every reason to stare. Yes, I'm here, and that's there. However, wherever I go, I'm always there. It's your boy, none other than I. Learning, living, loving, and laughing, earning everything honestly. All praise to the Almighty Jah. Anyway, you know what it is. You know that was your boy League. I'm just messing around right now, saying these words off the top of the head, from the dome, from the scratch piece, like the sofa skirt. Get at me, no at me, no hashtag, no dollar sign. I'm staying on my grind all the time. Even when I lie down to rest, to rejuvenate. My thoughts, my mentality, my militant mind always infiltrate those around me who find every reason to try to bring me down and leave me behind. But you already know, in this gang, there's no man left behind. Nobody in this university with the book bag on my back can stop my shine. Protect your energy, alright? I'm just doing what I do. You know what it is, you know who it is, you know who it be. The one and only Leak.